What's going on, guys? It's Roberto here, and I'm here for another trade recap. Today I took a trade on US30 on my funded account challenge, and I won today. I think I won 2,300, or about 1%, 1.1% or something like that. Nothing crazy. I'm still in drawdown. I think I'm down, uh, shoot, down like 3%. I'm down 3%. I was down 5, so we're doing good. We went up 2%. Um, but yeah, we're down 3%. And yeah, let's look at the trade today. I took, oh my God, I'm selling. Um, I took a US30 trade today. As you can see on the daily, we've been bullish, but we just recently hit all-time highs right here. So I was like, we probably gonna sweep some kind of liquidity that's up here. I doubt we keep pushing up because look how much bearish, like even on the weekly, like we haven't retraced anything, you know. Even though we're never gonna not gonna retrace this, but at least retrace over here. Um, but now yeah, we were bullish. So I had a bit bullish confirmation, but the fact that we had this liquidity sweep over here, um, got me a little, bearish. And then over here, this imbalance over here really I knew we were gonna be bearish just because we were gonna fill this imbalance, but I didn't know um we were gonna come fill it out and then go bullish, or like we ended up doing, just going bearish. But as you can see, we came in, we played in it. Now they're on the hourly. We played with inside this little imbalance. When market opened, we came bullish, swept out this hourly high. Um, but I did end up taking a bullish trade because of the fact that even though we came here, we broke this, and we're really bearish pre-market. Pre-market, we were extremely bearish, but I still had a bullish confirmation because the daily and even the hourly was still giving me bullish because of the fact we didn't break really below this low and this imbalance, even though it was filled, there's nothing too much, But I was on the 15 minute and I was looking as price kept dumping. I knew once we broke this imbalance, price was going further. Once price went further, I was looking for imbalances. This one I had marked out. Um, shoot, this one, and then once this one got disrespected, I marked out this one. And if we didn't go for this, then I was like, okay, we're just gonna come and sweep out these lows that we had. And I was gonna have to be bearish because even though we were kind of bearish here, I saw this imbalance and I had a feeling we were gonna go up. And on a 5 minute, it basically confirmed my bias because this is also a 5 minute fair value gap, so price was obviously gonna move down here. Um, Once price came in and we respected this fair value gap, we got a crazy candle up. Once we got this candle up, um, I saw this 5 minute fair value gap. Then I really knew we were really going to be bearish because we kind of had this little bit of not a break of structure, but we kind of already, oh, sorry, we're coming back to be bullish. Um, but now, yeah, I seen this 5 minute fair value gap and I seen we're a bearish candle. So I was like, we're going to come in, fill this, and we break structure up, then it's pretty good confidence that we're going to go higher. And that's exactly what happened. Once I seen that we were bearish there and there was a 5 minute fair value gap, I looked down on the 1 minute, scaling, trying to look for a break of structure. Once I seen we came, filled the whole 5 minute fair value gap, came up, broke structure. I should have entered earlier around here to make this a better trade. I usually do 20 pips. So yeah, probably would have been a 1 to 1.56, not a bad trade. But I ended up taking a little later entry, maybe because the DX trade filled me in a little late. But I think I entered around here. I thought I entered around here, but DX trade filled me up here. And yeah, and I ended up taking the trade, came in, put my stop loss right below basically where the breaker structure was, and only had one TP, which would be this high, this previous high that we had. This was a overall just a pretty relevant high, the 5 minute high before we came back down. And then I think it was also the 15 minute high too. So I was like, it's a pretty good area to set a take profit. And as you can see, price kept going up to even pass out these highs. So could have had another take profit, but wasn't really want to risking this all the way this high because I think this is still all-time highs. So I didn't know. We're gonna push all the way back up there. As you can see, we came in, we got blue balled a little tease, came back down. I thought we were gonna go. I thought we were gonna be. I thought I was gonna lose this trade because we didn't hit it. But I was like, nah. Once I seen this candle up, I was like, nah. I think we're gonna get it. And then as you can see, we went hit take profit and we won today. Um, it was a good trade. Maybe a little lucky with just going with the kind of going with the order flow. Um, you know what I mean? But I still have my confidence in my 15 minute and my 5 minute fair value gap being respected. So I was still with the breaker structure from filling the fair value gap. So I was still using my confluences that I know and been using for a while. Didn't trade anything S&P because S&P was just fucking going up. Just wanted to take out all time highs, I think, and that was it. Like that was about it, to be honest. Once it took out all time highs, it was really just consolidating. So I didn't do much, but yeah, I was trying to see if there's an entry. Nothing. Even on this is the 5 minute. Even on the 1 minute, nada. Look, no entries. Even on like a 1 minute fair value got filled. I mean, kind of, but like this isn't something very starting to go off, especially when it's been bearish the day before, the whole day. And Nasdaq was similarly the same thing. Nasdaq was kind of the same thing with it being just a lot of movement up beginning and then not really even hitting it. We kind of filled in the imbalance here, but not really. And then yeah, the 5 minute doesn't make it any better. Just massive candles up. And yeah, I didn't really once I seen like the massive candles and no real retracement, then I was kind of outside of this. That's why I took this US30 trade because I seen this bearish candle for at least a little retracement, and that was enough confirmation for me to go bias, for me to get a bias to go bullish. Um, and yeah, I think it was a pretty good trade, a good day, and your full screen. Hope this helped, and onto the road to be funded. A long way to go, but the climb back is always gonna be fun. But have a good day, guys. God bless and enjoy life.